Hello everybody! On behalf of the international team of the multilingual magazine Art Media, I would like to invite you to a creative evening with the poet, artist and songwriter Neringa Ablingaitė on May 10 at the Lithuanian Embassy in London. On the page of our magazine Art Media International.org, you will be able to get acquainted with her work, and on our channel you can listen to fragments of her song.
Nežinai, kas tai sniegas, nežinai, kas tai lietus, bet nežinojau, kad tu nežinai, kas tai pievos, nežinai, kas tai bičių medus. Nežinojau, kad tu nežinai, kas tai sniegas, nežinai, kas tai bičių medus. Juoda duona.